Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is, and whatever part of the world you're at right now. Welcome back, and we're going to continue our lesson reviewing these quadratic questions. Let's go ahead and jump into number 3. So, number 3 says, given polynomial A and polynomial B below, which polynomial factor do they have in common? Now, taking a look at both of these polynomials, if they're asking us which factor do they have in common, then we already know that they can be factored, both of them. Now, also the other thing that we notice is that for polynomial A, the leading coefficient is greater than 1, and for polynomial B, the leading coefficient is equal to 1. Now, the reason for pointing this out is because my suggestion for solving this or figuring out this answer would be to factor polynomial B. Do that one first, and then we can take a look at the answer choices to kind of help us conclude what our answer is, what our answer will be. So let's go ahead and take time to factor the second polynomial, polynomial B, for number 3. All right, so polynomial B is n squared minus 10n plus 24. We're going to label our quadratic with A, B, and C. A, B, and C. And now we're going to do our A times C method. And when we work this out, we also need to know what B is equal to. And in this case, it's negative 10, because once we multiply A times C, we are going to add the factor pairs up and see which one gives us a negative 10. So A is 1, C is 24. When we multiply, both of those are positive. That's going to equal a positive 24. Okay. And I wrote that incorrectly. All right. So it will equal positive 24. And now we want to just go ahead and factor positive 24. So we know we can do positive 1 times positive 24, negative 1 times negative 24. And when we do all these factor pairs, because the product is positive, then one set of factor pairs, both factors need to be positive, and then the next time you rewrite those same factors, both of them need to be negative. So 2 and 12, and then obviously negative 2 and negative 12, 3 and 8, and then obviously negative 3 and negative 8, and then 4 and 6 and negative 4 and negative 6. Now that we've listed out all these factors, we have the factor pairs. We're going to add up all of these factor pairs to see which ones give us a negative 10. So that's positive 25, negative 25, positive 14, negative 14, positive 11, negative 11, positive 10, negative 10. So the factors that we want to focus in on are negative 4 and negative 6. So now that we've determined those factors, we should be able to write the factors of our polynomial. So this is going to be n minus 4 times n minus 6. Now that we've determined what the factors are, we're going to write the factors of this polynomial next to the question. So back to number 3. The factor pairs for polynomial B were n minus 4 and n minus 6. Now, one of these factor pairs is the same as one of the factors for polynomial A. So if we look at our answer choices and just can figure out which one of these factors is the answer choice, we'll have our answer. And as we look, the very first one, answer choice F, which is n minus 4, is going to be our answer here because they both match up. Not n plus 2, not n minus 12, and not n minus 2, but n minus 4. All right. I will see you all back next time.